Our product of the day, Atomy Hair Protein Shampoo and Hair Treatment. So this is a home salon level protein clinic designed to replenish your hair from the core. The line was created for people who want more than just surface level care, something that actually helps restore and strengthen the damaged hair. We all know that our hair, it's made out of keratin or protein. And every time we uses a shampoo that's very harmful to our hair, we loses the protein or we loses the moisture. That's why we are going to some salons in order for us to regain the moisture and to gain the keratin or protein that we need. So, for example, if you go to some salons, they have a service called keratin treatment. So it gives back the protein to our hair. But if we do not use a better product or a good product to maintain the health of our scalp, the health of our hair, this keratin treatment from salon will only last 3 to 6 months and then we have to do it again. But the thing is, when we go to a salon, the products are kind of harsh because there are a lot of chemicals in the products. So modern hair goes through a lot, frequent styling. I'm always doing that. I'm always ironing my hair, for example, coloring, heat, environmental stress, the winds that touches our scalp, touches our hair. It is also giving an effect for the keratin loss, okay? And over time, that damage shows up as dryness. So it's the most common problem nowadays, right? Breakage and loss of elasticity. What Atomy has done is focus on protein care, okay? Because protein is the foundation of healthy hair, as I've said a while ago. This system works in two simple steps. A gentle yet effective shampoo followed by an intensive protein treatment, working together to cleanse, nourish, and help repair hair from the inside and out. So, as you can see here on the picture, when we talk about damaged hair, the real issue often isn't just dryness, right? It's actually the protein loss. So that is the main issue why our hair is getting dry and it's getting less elastic. Hair is made mostly of protein, and every time we color or perm, heat style, or even shampoo too aggressively, that protein is gradually stripped away. So little by little, this protein is going out from our hair. So when the protein level drops, hair becomes so weak, so dull, so rough, and prone to split ends and breakage. So for me, before my hair was really bad, I really had lots of breakage and lots of split ends also. So that's where Atomy Protein Intensive Hair Care comes in. So this system delivers intensive protein care designed specifically for broken, split, and damaged hair. So instead of coating the hair temporarily, it focuses on replenishing lost protein so the hair can recover its natural strength, smoothness, and of course, elasticity. Um, Based on my personal experience, when my hair was too dry, when I use the Atomy herbal shampoo and herbal conditioner, it makes my hair soft. But when I use the Atomy protein intensive treatment, it makes it more softer. So when I dry my hair with the blower, it is not so rough. So it's easy for me to style my hair. So with Atomy's proprietary CMC care technology, later on I will be sharing with you what is CMC code. We will go through deeper with that, so you will be able to understand why this product is very good. And two types of patented nature-derived ingredients. Nutrients are delivered precisely to the areas of damage. So this helps restore balance inside the hair strand, leaving it smoother, more flexible, and visibly healthier. So I really noticed that. I don't know about you if you've used this product, but for me, it really does very good. The result is hair that doesn't just look better for a day, but feels stronger, softer, and more resilient with continued use. So this is why we call the Atomy Hair Protein Shampoo and Protein Treatments a home salon protein clinic because it has a professional level care made simple enough for everyday use. So we don't actually need to um to go to a special salon just to have our keratin treatment and pay a lot of money. So these are the 5 symptoms of hair damage by replenishing the core of your hair. So it helps smoothen your hair, helps repair split ends, helps with hair protein combination, helps with hair friction or softness of the hair, and it will give you more shine. So your hair will be more glossy, more shiny. And of course, this is recommended for people with such hair. Severely damaged hair because of coloring, perming, a lot of treatments, tangled hair with no shine, frizzy and dry hair, and hair that needs intensive care. Okay, so this is, and um, so here, the shampoo is 400 ml and the treatment is 200 ml. So later on, I will be explaining to you the main ingredients. Now, let us start with core ingredient number one, which is the Atomy's unique CMC code. So the CMC is a key structure inside healthy hair. When hair is damaged, this structure breaks down, making it so difficult for nutrients to stay inside the hair strand. So Atomy designed the CMC code to help restore this weakened structure and support both the surface and the core of the hair at the same time. So the CMC code that I'm talking about is made up of 4 essential hair ingredients. So each with a specific role. If you have some paper and pen, please write it down because there's some information that is not included on the picture. So the first one, of course, is the protein. Protein focuses on hair repair. So Atomy uses a low molecular protein complex that can quickly care for damaged cuticles. This helps strengthen weakened hair and improve overall texture. The next one is the amino acids, as you can see on the picture. So it's for hair protection. The formula contains 18 types of amino acids that are identical to those naturally found in our hair. So if you can imagine if this ingredient has something to do with the natural component of our hair, when we use this product, our hair will really like the effect of this ingredient, right? It will not harm our hair, helping maintain balance and protect the hair structure. And next one, the third one is the peptide. So the peptide is responsible for intensive nourishment, or it delivers intensive nourishment onto the hair. They support elasticity and shine by supplying highly concentrated nutrients to tired and damaged hair. So in short, they give more volume, more elasticity, make it stronger, okay? And the fourth one is the betaine, so it's anti-freeze effect. Betaine provides an anti-freeze and anti-dryness effect, helping smooth rough hair and leave it soft, silky, and manageable. What makes this system special is Atomy's one-shot double action system. So the technology CMC code to be absorbed quickly into both the surface and core of the hair, at the same time helping repair damage efficiently instead of working only on the outside, right? So it goes like our skincare. This hair product also goes deeper into our hair to repair the inside of our hair. Now, what is CMC code if we are not familiar with what it's about? So CMC stands for cell membrane complex. Cell membrane complex, which is the core ingredient behind the protein intensive care hairline. So the CMC code is designed to mimic the natural structure of our healthy hair, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently into the hair cortex. So as you can see here on your left section, Atomy conducted a hair damage test. Okay, so in the hair damage test, you can see a clear comparison between untreated hair and CMC treated hair. So untreated, this one it's very high, and the treated hair is quite lower. So the treated hair shows significantly fewer broken fibers, proving that the CMC code helps reduce hair breakage. So this is because the formula is quickly absorbed into the hair cortex, strengthening hair from the inside out. And additionally, it helps balance oil and moisture in the scalp. So it reinforces the scalp's barrier and creating an ideal environment for healthy hair growth. While on the other hand, you see here, the low molecular plant protein protection. So what does it mean? So this section demonstrates the effect of low molecular plant proteins used in the CMC code. These proteins micro penetrate the hair. When we say micro, it's a very small particle that is forming a protective layer that reduces surface damage onto our hair. Even after cleansing, the protein effect remains inside the hair, which means that the hair stays protected and strengthened even after washing. So unlike any other shampoo or any brands out there, once you wash the shampoo, the conditioner, and the treatment is not anymore on your hair. It has been washed by the water. But with this technology, it stays on your hair, so your hair is still protected. Okay? So in summary, Atomy's unique CMC code doesn't just coat the hair. It penetrates, it repairs, and protects, delivering long-lasting hair strength and, of course, resilience. So we go to now for the core ingredient number 2, which is the aqua tector. So Aquatector, this is a patented nature-derived moisturizing complex designed specifically to strengthen hair cuticles and improve long-term retention. So the key ingredient here, I don't know if I will be able to pronounce it right? It's the xylethyl glucoside. It is a moisturizing agent derived from natural sources such as birch and beech trees. It combines glucose and xylitol, which work together to attract and lock in moisture into our hair. So what it does is it helps reduce moisture evaporation, keeping hair hydrated and healthier for longer period. So let us check this graph. So on your left-hand side, the chart shows a clear improvement in hair hydration after using Aquatector. So the moisture retention in the hair is improved by 109%. So meaning the hair is significantly better at holding moisture. It is well hydrated, hair is softer, smoother, and loss prone to dryness and breakage. While on the other hand, on your right section, so on your right section, these microscopic images compare untreated hair with hair treated using aquatector. So as you can see here on your left hand side, this is the untreated hair. And when the hair is treated, as you can see, the left hand side is like more dry, more breakage. But when it has been treated, they are more softer, more elastic, and stronger, and it's more tightly aligned. It has more tightly aligned cuticles. Why? Because strengthened cuticles help protect the inner hair structure, improve shine, and reduce damage from external stress. Okay? So now this is a 5-step protein intensive system. So Atomy delivers salon level hair care at home through a 5-step protein intensive system. Each step that you can see on your screen is designed to work in sequence just like a professional hair clinic treatment to maximize absorption and long lasting results. So I will be explaining it to you one by one in a broad explanation. Okay, so step 1 is cleansing. So of course, every time whatever we do, the first process is cleansing. The rich, spongy shampoo foam thoroughly removes impurities, excess oil, and buildup from both the scalp and hair. So what it does is this help create a clean foundation, allowing the following treatments to work more effectively onto your scalp and onto your hair. The next one is the opening. So um, the opening step, this creates a steam pack effect. What does it mean? So when the treatment is applied, it generates mild heat, helping to gently open the hair cuticles. So in order to prepare the hair to absorb nutrients more deeply, similar to a salon steam treatment. So I don't know about you, but for me, for example, when I go to salon and they put the hair treatment, they put a warm cup, right? A warm cup to they say they tell us like, okay, I'm just gonna steam it so that the treatment will penetrate deeply into your hair and to your hair cuticles. But you know, when we go to salon, they never explain us why they are putting the steam. But why we need the steam when we put a hair treatment is because it is opening the cuticle so that the nutrients will go into the cuticles of our hair, so the nutrients will be absorbed better. Okay, but when we use the Atomy Protein shampoo, we don't need to use a steam because of its technology. It is already, it has already the steam coming into our cuticles. And then number three is the speed care. So this step delivers intensive nutrition in short amount of time. The ampule formula allows for greater absorption up to 450,000 ppm of protein along with patented ingredients which targets damaged areas of the hair, helping to repair and strengthen quickly. And then step four is the locking. The locking step creates a protective moisture barrier around the hair using the unicoating care system. So what it does, it helps seal in nutrients and moisture. This step improves smoothness, softness, and shine while preventing moisture loss. So when you wash your hair, so you will notice that your hair is very soft and very shiny. And step five is the holding. This is the final step, which maintains the treatment effects. The high proteins absorbed inside the hair, over time, it helps restore hair to a healthier, stronger condition. So, as I've said, you don't need to go to salon if you are. If we are not lazy enough, we can just do our salon treatment at home by using this Atomy Hair Protein Shampoo and treatments. So, what truly sets Atomy Protein Intensive Treatment apart from ordinary hair treatments out there? So, the key difference is that it delivers deep nutrition to the core of the hair using a microheating effect, similar to a professional steam pack treatment at a salon. So, this process results in noticeably softer, smoother, and shinier hair. So I will be explaining to you the 3 points. So the first point is high protein concentration. So this treatment contains an exceptionally high 45% protein. So this is high, which equals to 450,000 ppm. I forgot what is ppm, but it's like points per I forgot them, along with the patented ingredients. So this high concentration helps repair and reinforce damaged hair from the inside. So few at-home treatments offer this level of protein delivery. So when we use this treatment, it's like comparable to a salon treatment already. And point two is the ampule to cream technology. So the ampule to cream texture. So when you purchase this Atomy protein treatment, it's like a liquid. So it's like an ampule. How do you make it as a cream? So you put it on your palm, add a bit of water, and then make a cream out of it. Or even without water, if you just blend it together, then you will notice that this turn into a cream before you apply it onto your hair. Okay. So um when applied to our hair, it transforms from a lightweight ampule into a rich cream. I mean, when applied to our palm, helping active ingredients penetrate deeply into the hair core. So this ensures efficient absorption without leaving hair heavy or greasy. Okay. And then the number 3 is the Uni-Coating Care System. What it does it wraps around rough and damaged cuticles. This coating smooths the hair surface, enhances shine, and helps protect hair from external damage. So when you use this, the result is that the hair looks sleek, healthy, and polished. So we have a message here. So Fana, I use this product and my hair becomes stronger and no hair falls. I get new growth hairs again. This is my favorite shampoo. Yes, Sofana, you're correct. So this is what this, yes, this product is used for. So I will be explaining this picture, how Atommy's transforming technology works and why it delivers a new level of hair nutrition. So the key idea is simple. An ultra concentrated ampule transformed into a cream during application, maximizing absorption. So I will explain to you how the transformation works, okay? So when the ampule comes into contact with water, it begins to change into a cream texture. So as you apply it, friction generates mild heat. So this is comparable to a steam into the salon, okay? Similar to a salon steam pack treatment. This gentle warming effect helps the active ingredients absorb quickly and deeply into the core of the hair. So here is a 3 quick and transforming steps. So the first one is the delivery and absorption. The treatment starts as a liquid type formula, making it easy to apply strand by strand. So this allows quick delivery of moisture and protein throughout the hair. Number 2 is the mild heat activation. As the formula transforms, so when the ampule turns into cream, mild heat is generated from the friction. This heat boosts nutrient absorption, helping the hair take in protein more effectively into the hair. And lastly is the cream coating. The formula becomes a cream, forming a nutrition-coated layer. This cream coating acts as a moisture barrier, sealing in all the nutrients and preventing moisture loss for your hair. Okay, so this is the uni-coating system, which is also a key technology that helps protect and maintain nutrients in the hair over time. So unlike regular products that sit on surface and rinse away easily, this system is designed to hold nutrients, especially protein, even after cleansing. So even after we wash our hair, the formula, the effect of the nutrients is still covering. So it's the coating that protects our hair and our hair barrier. So what Unicoating Care does is that the plant-based conditioning ingredients are evenly coated over the surface of damaged hair. So this smooth, uniform coating helps improve, for example, the shine. It reduces roughness of our hair, protects nutrients such as protein for a longer period. So then as a result, hair stays soft and healthy looking, not just right after treatment, but over time. So really, I you have if you feel that you have damaged hair, wait, my camera decides to yeah. If you really have damaged hair, I really advise you to use this protein treatment. After you wash your hair, dry it with a hair blower, hair dryer, and you will see it's not going to be so perfectly straight, but you will see that your hair is really soft and it's really easy to style afterwards. So as you can see here in the left visual, uni-coating versus regular products. So regular products you see here, it's still dull, it's still rough, but you see with protein intensive treatment, your hair becomes more silky, more shine. Okay. So the comparison shows how regular products coat unevenly, leaving gaps where nutrients can escape. You see? In contrast, the protein-intensive treatment wraps the hair evenly with both conditioning and active ingredients. So this complete coating helps seal in nourishment and protect the hair structure. It really goes deeply into the cuticles of our hair. On the other hand, on the right visual, these images show how active ingredients penetrate and remain in the hair. So you see before use, 1 hour after use, and 24 hours after use. So before use, our hair is so dull. 1 hour after use, you see it still is very strong. And even 24 hours after use, you still see some of the effects of the products, right? Even after cleansing, nutrients remain present, helping to protect and strengthen hair for up to 24 hours. So actually, based on my own experience, if I use this product, I don't shower the next day because my hair is still protected. So I see to it that I really enjoy the protection onto my hair. And plus, the smell, the fragrance still stays even after 24 hours, unless otherwise you are in front of the barbecue. So that's another story, right? Now, let's go to the shampoo. What makes the Atomy Protein Intensive Shampoo different from ordinary shampoos is that instead of simply cleaning the hair, this shampoo is designed to help restore strength to damaged hair using a naturally high protein foam. So first, I will explain to you also one, two, three points. So the point one is the high protein content. So the shampoo contains 28,000 ppm of protein along with patented ingredients. This means that from the very first step, which is the cleansing, the hair is already receiving strengthening care, not just surface cleaning. Okay, so it already provides strengthening of the hair. And point two is the gentle cleansing with selective delivery. The shampoo uses a selective delivery system. So this system allows the shampoo to cleanse gently while delivering caring ingredients exactly where the hair needs them. So as a result, hair feels clean without feeling dry, rough, or stripped. And point three is the damage prevention barrier. Finally, the shampoo helps repair and protect hair by forming a damage prevention barrier. So this barrier reduces further damage during washing and daily styling, helping hair stay stronger and healthier. Now, as you can see on this picture, forms of a barrier to prevent hair damage. So this slide, I will explain to you. This explains how the protein-intensive hair care system protects hair by forming a barrier on the cuticle surface. So conditioning emulsion ingredients coat the hair, helping to prevent damage, maintain moisture, and reduce color fading over time. So, I also noticed this one. Um, I normally color my hair all the time. But when I use the protein shampoo, the hair color stays longer. Actually, it enhances the color of my hair, the hair color of my hair, even with the herbal shampoo. I don't know if you notice it, but I'm using both. Sometimes if my herbal shampoo is finished, I go back to the hair protein treatment, so it's vice versa. But what I really find fascinating, if I could compare the two shampoos, when it comes to color, I like the protein shampoo better because it enhances the color of my hair. So recovering the hydrophobicity of hair, healthy hair naturally has hydrophobicity. So meaning it repels excess water. This is due to a natural lipid layer on the cuticle surface. When our hair is damaged, this protective layer is lost. So water can enter easily, moisture escapes just easily, and our hair becomes dry, rough, and weak. But after using the protein intensive shampoo, a moisture conditioning film forms on the hair surface. So this helps restore hydrophobicity, allowing hair to better retain moisture and resist damage. So this is a very good word to explain to your customers. Hydrophobicity. It restores hydrophobicity. So it also, as I've said, it reduces hair color loss, as you can see here on your right graph. The graph on the right shows the color loss prevention effect after repeated washing. Hair treated with microemulsion technology shows less color fading compared to conventional macroemulsions, even after 6 washing cycles. The color retention is noticeably improved. So why does it matter? By restoring hydrophobicity and forming a protective barrier, the hair retains its moisture longer. It resists damage from washing and styling and also maintains hair color and shine. Now, mildly acidic formula to maintain oil and water balance. So what does it mean? Okay. Why does pH balance is so important for healthy hair and scalp? It's actually very important. We really have to know and be able to explain why to our customers. Okay. So the Atomy Protein Intensive Hair Care line uses a mildly acidic formula to help maintain the natural oil and water balance of both hair and our scalp. So what is the optimal pH for hair and scalp? Healthy hair and scalp are naturally slightly acidic. Okay, Atomy's formula is designed within the optimal pH range of 5.0 to 6.5, which supports smooth, shiny, and resilient hair. So now I'll explain to you why pH balance matters. Okay, when hair becomes too alkaline, which often happens due to frequent coloring, perming, or chemical treatments, what happens is that the cuticle opens too much. So when the cuticle opens too much, the moisture of our hair escapes easily. Therefore, our hair becomes dry, it becomes rough, and becomes prone to damage. The scalp can feel so itchy. Sometimes we have like, lots of dandruffs, or uncomfortable. So a mildly acidic formula helps close and smooth the cuticle, maintain moisture, protect the scalp barrier, and reduce irritation and dryness. That's why, as I've said, I have a new service in my salon soon, and I'm very confident to use this product because this one is really very mildly acidic, which is actually better for our hair. And here in Belgium, for example, I don't know in your area, our water has a lot of calc. And when the water has a lot of calc, it makes our hair so dry, right? So you see, that's why I think that's also why on top of my styling of my hair on a daily basis, I also, with the water, it also damages the hair. And how Atomy helps restore balance. The protein-intensive hair care system absorbs into hair that has been alkalized by chemical treatments. So by restoring optimal pH balance, that is the basis, right? We have to restore the optimal pH balance of our hair. So it helps improves elasticity, strengthen the hair structure, maintain a healthier scalp environment, which is very, very important if we wanted to have a healthy hair. Now, when it comes to fragrance, the top note is Cassie's Green Note, middle note is Orchid Lily, base note is Sandalwood Musk. So the smell of these products is really pleasant. And as I've said, even after 24 hours, you still can touch the softness of your hair and smell the fragrance of the product. So how do you use the product? So get smooth and soft hair with Atomy Protein Intensive Hair Care, just as if you received a hair treatment salon. So shampoo, naturally high protein foam for added nutrition even while you shampoo. So first, squeeze an appropriate amount while your hair is still wet. Gently massage your shampoo your hair and scalp by massaging the foam in. So when your hair is wet, so put an ample amount of water to make your hair wet. Apply the shampoo and don't go under the shower while you're shampooing your hair because then it will immediately rinse the shampoo. So go on the side, take time to massage your hair, feel the softness of your hair, feel, the cleanliness of your scalp. And after that, rinse truly with a lukewarm water. Okay. And then how to use the treatment. After shampooing, apply directly to your hair while your hair is still wet. Massage your hair so it can absorb the nutrient. Rinse truly with lukewarm water. So if you have short hair, you can see here after shampooing while your hair is still wet, put an appropriate amount of treatment onto your hands. Rub it to create a cream. Apply the cream and rinse through with lukewarm water. So it's very easy, right? And plus, if you think about it, you have a salon treatment. If you go to a salon, it will already cost you one time 75 euros, and the effect will only be for 2 days, right? But look at the price. If you purchase our protein shampoo, it will cost you 20 euros. If you purchase our Atomy Protein Intensive Treatment, it will cost you 16 euros and 50 cents. If your hair is short, then it will last you like 1 to 2 months. But if your hair is longer, probably let's say it will last you for 1 month. And especially when you are living in Europe, when we have winter, um, we have to accept the fact that we don't shower our hair every day. So it's kind of economic, right? So yes, there you go. Here is the information about our product. I hope